in for the killing, making no exceptions. Anybody in my way is getting sprayed with blessings. Man down, Holy Ghost, somebody call the Reverend. Man down, Holy Ghost, somebody call the Reverend. Dropping knowledge on the mass, another church session. Lord knows I be sinning, but I pray forgiveness. Not every lesson that I learned means a new beginning. Trying to lead a smooth life, I'm playing an A move. But niggas out here talking reckless, thinking shit is cool. I really take caution where I'm stepping. Oh, don't make me start confessing. Cause games with a dread boy can get oh so hectic. So don't make me get hectic. Just keep that shit a gun.
All of my niggas is hectic. All of my niggas is hectic. Even my bitches is hectic. Even my bitches is hectic. The music will make you respect it. And how you looking for X? Don't make my niggas get hectic. Don't make my niggas get hectic. All of my niggas is hectic. All of my niggas is hectic. Even my bitches is hectic. Even my bitches is hectic. The music will make you respect it. And how you looking for X? Don't make my niggas get hectic. Don't make my niggas get hectic.
All of my niggas is hectic, all these niggas dyslexic. You can read between the lines, violate, you pay the fine. I got homies doing time, cause they robbed the Rolex. I'ma flex on you niggas, Ricky, get the road flex. I be sipping black bottles, I don't do no more wet. Oh, she hit that coke pop, that's gon' make her more wet. If I stick my dick in it, that's gon' be a duet. I'ma call up hectic swag tag team, they up next. They up next. We up now, we up now, take a shot, we up now.
I just bought me